Hello friends, God bless you and welcome on today's video. This is the holiday dishes around the world, and today I am going to try to make my mother's recipe, a fruit cake. And I'm going to tell you, I didn't realize how much it took to make a fruit cake. So I did bought some jellies to go in the fruit cake, but I never like them big, so I got this chopper from Walmart and I'm chopping them up. So in this video, you will need a cup of butter. I got the salted, and I use some raisins and the jellies. And my mother used to use grape juice and use a third or fourth of that. And you can use probably about a half a cup of raisin or a cup. It just determines on how much you want in your fruit cake. And just let it ball and simmer for a little while just to soften up the jellies. And just set that aside and let it cool off. Friends, I will put this recipe in the description box. And one thing I'm learning about a fruit cake that I used to do with my mom, when I told her, I said, just don't put all those jellies in. And I don't never like all those jellies. So you can add whatever you want. You can take away, you can add. And I mostly like mine, just a little bit of raisins, nuts, and a very small amount of jelly. Now here you will see me mix my flour, allspice, seasoning, and cinnamon. And I'm going to mix this all together. And this is a collaboration with the Grace Life DIY channel. And I want to thank all the ladies who's collaborating with us. I want to thank the ladies that collab with us. Miss Creations by Simone, Living Life with Lisa, and Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Thank y'all so much, and I can't wait to see what everyone comes up with and those that watch and participate with us. Okay, guys, let's carry on with this recipe. Now you will need 3 eggs and just mix these together and set it on the side. And then add your vanilla flavor. Now, if you want to, you can add a rum flavor if you want to, but Mom never did. So I'm going to add this vanilla flavoring. And here's where I just add the chopped nuts inside of my mixture. Now, I really chopped this, and I think I added a little bit too much nuts because I love nuts. So this is a trial and error, guys. If you add extra nuts, you're going to have to add just a little bit more juice. And that's what I should have did when I mixed it all together. But this is the first time I'm doing it, but this is trial and error. So the next time I do this, and I love a lot of nuts, I'm just going to add just a little bit more grape juice to it because you want it to be moist. I can use this recipe really to make a nut cake because that's what I really used to get my mom to do because I never care for the cherries in it, the jellies or whatever you call them. And that's what I usually do because I never care for the jelly part of those cherries. I keep calling them jellies, but they're cherries, guys. And after you mix everything, you just mix it all together. And with this, you don't need a blender, which is good. I didn't have to pull out the blender, which I was prepared to. But right here is where I think I put too much flour because it should have been like a cup and a half because I'm only doing a loaf. And like I said, guys, this is the first time I'm doing this. But it did smell just like my mom's cake and stuff. But next time, I'm going to make sure I add a little more grape juice to get it more moist and maybe another egg. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you're new here, I thank you for stopping in. I hope you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And tell me, have y'all ever tried to cook a fruit cake before? But usually for Christmas, guys, I usually make like a red velvet cake or something like that. This is the first time I'm trying this. So that's why I said I'm learning through this here because I'm not the fruitcake lady. But nevertheless, guys, we'll see how this come out on the end. And there it is, friends. Through it all, it came out pretty good, but it should have been a little more moist. And next time, I'm going to add a little more grape juice. So if you use a lot of nuts, make sure you add more grape juice. So this is the first time, but overall, it came out good. I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. Enjoy your holidays, and I hope you find some dish that you can use on these collabs for your holidays. God bless you from Penny. Bye-bye.